Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nikita and I share videos to help you grow as a professional. In the previous video, I shared some content on what do technical program managers slash TPMs do at Google. And on public demand, today I will be sharing more about roles and requirements to get shortlisted for a TPM role specifically at Google. But before that, if you haven't watched my previous video, I'm sharing the link in the description below. Go watch that video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so by clicking on the subscription button below. Alright, so this was one of the most commonly asked question in the previous video, asking what do TPMs do? What are the roles and requirements for a TPM role? So let me decode some information for you. The role of a technical program manager is a very strategic role, which means you need to understand how do large scale projects work. And for that, you can look at it from a two lens perspective. The first one is your technical acumen and understanding. And the second one is the managerial component of it. But here, the managerial component is not necessarily the people manager role, but more of a management for a technical project or a technical program, and there would be multiple projects because it's a program manager role, and hence you need a wider lens to understand different projects that are allocated to you. So firstly, let's try to understand what are the educational requirements for a TPM role. So it's good to be coming from an engineering background, specifically from a computer science or IT domain, because for a technical program manager role, specifically for IT related projects at Google, it's good to understand how softwares work. And if you have understanding more about how do you code, how do you write simple algorithms, that will definitely help you from a technical educational background purposes. If you have also completed your master's in business administrations, that's definitely a plus plus plus, because then you have learned more about how organizations work. You understand more about the business strategy point of view. That will definitely help you grow and stand out your opportunities from a TPM perspective. The second one is your experience. So you may have experience as a software developer. That definitely adds value, because as a TPM, you will be working with lot of software engineers, and to understand their language, having experience working as a software developer definitely is a good value or a skill set to have. You should at least have 2 to 3 years of experience as a software developer for an entry level role at a company like Google. Apart from that, having a lot of experience managing complex projects is very much important skill set to have while you're applying for a TPM role. Now, what does the program manager skill set or experience look like? If you have worked with multiple stakeholders, may that from an engineering background, from legal background, product management, marketing, that definitely helps you crack one step closer towards becoming a TPM. Why is this skill set required? You need the skill set because you, as a program manager, you will be working with folks from various backgrounds, and if you have the understanding of working with them, if you are able to decode their language and translate it into your job function, that definitely adds and brings value on the table. The second thing that you need from a program manager's lens is strategic perspective. How can you define the scope of the project from a strategic point of view? How can you relate to the project's goals and objectives to the broader business goals and objectives is a good to have skill set when you are applying for a TPM role. The next one is your project management skill sets. Having experience working with project management tools, maybe if you've done some courses online via Coursera, these definitely add value to get shortlisted for a TPM role. Apart from that, from a program manager's perspective, if you have negotiation skills, if you are able to influence without being authoritative, which means when you are in a situation where there are multiple stakeholders with multiple conflicting priorities, how can you create a win-win situation? How can you bring alignment where there are differences of opinions? That's what a quality that a good program manager would have. All right. So that's pretty much it about what are the roles and responsibilities of a program manager and what are the skill sets required to crack a TPM role at Google. If you are enjoying this content and if you have suggestions for what topics I could bring videos for you in the future, please drop them in the comment section below. I'll be happy to pick some and help you in the next videos. Until the next episode, take care. Bye bye.